Hey, I'm going to show you guys day 7 of the optional work packet. Okay. So day 7, your first activity is to pick a number between 30 and 40. You're going to count out that many pennies or objects. So it's better to use small objects. You can use like little mini beans, maybe small Legos, or pennies. I want you to group the pennies or objects into groups of 10. Write a sentence to tell the number of groups of 10 you made and the number of leftovers. Repeat this activity by choosing a different number between 20 and 30. Okay, I want you to do this activity at least 5 times in your compositional notebook. So for example, I made 4 groups of 10 and there are 4 left over of the pennies. So I grouped my pennies into groups of 10. I have 4 groups of 10, so that is 40. And then there are 4 left over, which means my number is 44. Your second activity is to complete 4 unused workbook pages in your workbook. Then you can do Dreambox or Ingenuity. Okay, you're reading again. Read for at least 20 minutes. Choose a fiction or nonfiction book. For a fiction, create a flow map of beginning, middle, and end. For a nonfiction book, create a circle map and write at least 3 facts. I love getting messages, being able to see your flow maps. They look really, really good, and I love the details that you guys are using. Remember, complete sentences, capital letters, periods, give me details. Almost as if I read your flow map for beginning, middle, and end, I would know exactly what happens in the story without even having to read the book myself. Okay, memory game. So using high frequency words. So to set up the game, create word cards and arrange them face down in a grid. Pick one card and turn it over and read the word. Pick a second card, turn it over. So this is a memory game. So you'll have them, it'll look like this on my screen. You'll have all of your high frequency words. You don't have to choose all of them from this list. Just choose, let's say, about 8 to 10 of them. Then you make sure you have 2 of each card and you'll flip them over and move them around and kind of put them in a grid pattern like a memory game. It's almost like the monster game that we did in class where I had like the different colored monsters that you had to match. This one is sight words, so you have to read the sight word, find its match, and if you find its match, you get to keep it. Then the next person goes, and it goes on and on and on until you get all of them. Okay. Whoops. Your next activity is science. So plants and soil and water. So your activity is to act out a seed growing. So start kneeling on the floor and describe each stage. Talk to an adult about why seeds need soil, water, and sunlight. So this is a diagram of what a seed looks like when it's growing. So it'll start off really little as a seed, and it'll continue to grow roots, and it's little by little, it continues to grow until it's a big plant. So I want you to kind of act that out, and you can send me a video of it once you act it out. I would love to see it. Once you're done with all of those, you can pick any of the specials to complete, or you can go outside and just go play, go do brain dances, go do arts and crafts. But yeah, I hope this helps. I will see you guys next time. I hope this helps.